Imagine being able to produce your own aligners, surgical guides, dentures, splints, and more right in your own office. Imagine the level of service and value you can provide for your patients when you control the timing and cost of so much of these procedures. 3D printing makes this possible, and it's never been easier than with SprintRay Pro. Your practice will love the incredible capacity that SprintRay's custom DLP projector, resin tank, and platform provide. Your large, complex cases will finish quickly, so you won't shift focus away from your patients. Converting scans to printable files will no longer be a hassle. SprintRay's new software automates this tedious task with virtually no effort from the user. The 7-inch touchscreen makes it simple to select and monitor all printing parameters, start print jobs, and get onboard help. Use Wi-Fi or the front panel USB to load new prints. With the SprintRay Pro, 3D printing will become the easiest task in your office. Best of all, the 6-core CPU is powerful enough to handle these tasks today and whatever comes tomorrow. Bring your practice forward and be a part of the next 100 years of dentistry with the SprintRay Pro.
We're the team behind TICO. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is TICO, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, TICO sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. TICO has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, 179. That's the beauty of unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.